It's cooking!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we are the hosts of Sup.
So welcome to Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies, where every day leading up to Christmas, we make a different cookie from a different country or culture. As today we are making coconut pralines
From Jamaica.
From Jamaica, yep. Okay, so let's get started on the ingredients.
1 pound of brown sugar, which is half a bag. Half a cup of heavy cream. 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. 1 tablespoon of minced fresh ginger.
This is a really weird shaped one.
And 3.5 cups of sweetened flaked coconut.
People in Jamaica love the holidays, especially Christmas, and they love to eat coconut pralines while they celebrate.
First, we put 1 pound of brown sugar into the saucepan. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of corn syrup.
Now we need 1 tablespoon of minced ginger.
Now we're going to bring this to a boil over medium-high heat. Now that it's boiling, we're going to keep stirring it until it gets to 234 degrees.
Let's do it.
Once it reaches 234 degrees, take it off the heat and let it cool for 20 minutes. Now we are going to beat the mixture with a spoon until it gets creamy.
It's looking very creamy, and now it's going to set for another 5 minutes.
It's been 5 minutes, and now we are going to stir in 3.5 cups of coconut.
Feels like a really thick caramel with coconut shavings in it.
Once it's mixed, drop the mixture by rounded tablespoons about 1 inch apart onto waxed paper, and then let it stand until cool.
Sarah, are you ready to try these coconut pralines?
Yes, they are cooled off, and now we're ready to try them.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, look at that difference. Yours is way smaller than mine. All right, let's do it. I know why I love Christmas so much in Jamaica.
It's so good. I love the taste of the brown sugar and the coconut together. It's really good.
And that ginger pops.
Dig it!